Good day, sir. Our topic is PDEA, or Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. So, this is the history of PDEA. So, RA number 6425, also known as the Dangerous Drugs Act of 1972, it has been the backbone of the drug law enforcement system in the Philippines for 40 years. So, itong RA na ito na 6425, ito yung pinakaunang batas na nag-exist against dangerous drugs. So, ito yung ginamit ng drug law enforcement in the Philippines for 40 years. So, despite the efforts of various law enforcement agencies mandated to implement the law, the drug problem alarmingly escalated, with orbiting police officers collecting drug money. The high profitability of the illegal drug trade, compounded by the existing laws that impose relatively light penalties to offenders, greatly contributed to the gravity of the problem. So, during the administration of former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, she signed the Republic Act of 9165, or the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002, on June 7, 2002, and it took effect on July 4, 2002. The RA 9165 defines more concrete courses of action for the national anti-drug campaign and imposes heavier penalties to offenders. So, after 40 years na enact itong RA 9165, or Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002, para i-revise yung current existing law against dangerous drugs. So, the enactment of RA 9165 reorganized the Philippine Drug Law Enforcement System. So, tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, while the Dangerous Drugs Board remains as the policy-making and strategy formulating body in planning and formulation of policies and programs on the drug control and prevention, it created the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency under the office of the President. So, sabi nga dito, RA 9165 created the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency under the office of the President. So, it was in effect on July 7, 2002. So, the next is the definition of PDEA. So, the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, or PDEA, is the lead anti-drug law enforcement agency responsible for preventing, investigating, and combating any dangerous drugs, controlled precursors, and essential chemicals within the Philippines. So, the agency is tasked with the enforcement of the penal and regulatory provisions of Republic Act number 9165, or otherwise known as the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002.
So let's proceed to the objectives of PDEA. So first is to educate further on the silent provision of RA 9165. And second, to learn how to detect shabu clandestine laboratories. Third, to be acquainted with the drug courier modus operandi, and to know the process on treatment and rehabilitation. And last, to train participants necessary skills and strategies to effectively enforce the anti-drug law through bypass and search warrant operations. So these objectives aims to para mapigilan yung paglaganap ng modus ng drugs operandi, and also para mapuksa yung mga tao na gumagamit ng illegal na droga, lalo na yung mga big syndicates behind those small syndicates. So PDEA have a mission and vision. So Their mission is, as the lead agency, is the enforcement of the anti-drug law, the PDEA. So, first is to suppress the supply of these drugs, implement dangerous drugs board policies, and to control and regulate the legitimate use of dangerous drugs and control precursors and essential chemicals. Supervises the anti-drugs activities of drugs law enforcement agency, and also to coordinate the participation of all stakeholders in the anti-drugs campaign. So the vision of PDEA is, we are a highly credible and competent agency leading the citizenry of a drug-free country. Let's talk about the function of PDEA. So, one of the function of PDEA, as the lead agency is the fight against illegal drugs, the law conferred PDEA with the following function to attain its mission. So, number one function of PDEA is implement or case the efficient and effective implementation of the National Drugs Control Strategy formulated by the Dangerous Drugs Board. So, second is to undertake the enforcement of the provision of Article 2 of RA 9165 relative to the unlawful acts and penalties involving any dangerous drug and or control. So number 3 is administer oath and issue subpoena and subpoena duces tecum relative to the conduct of investigation involving the violation of Republic Act 9165. Number 4 of the function of PDEA is arrest and apprehend as well as search of violators and seize or confiscate the effective or proceeds of the crimes as provided by law. The number 5 function, take charge and have custody of all dangerous drugs and or controlled prosecutors and essential chemicals seized, confiscated, or surrendered to any national, provincial, or local law enforcement agency. And the last is establish a forensic laboratory in each office in every province and city in order to facilitate action or seize confiscated drugs, thereby enhancing their destruction without delay.